Assalamualaikum all of you. Hello viewers. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Angela Komal Academy, and I am your friend, guider and teacher Angela Komal. How are you all? I think you are doing well and everything lovely in the garden. So as you watch, what is the topic of my today? This is a related to active and passive voice. This is a part 3. In this part, we discussed about present perfect, past indefinite, and past continuous. In my previous video, I discussed about present present continuous, present indefinite, and the definition of active and passive voice, and why we need to make passive voice. Okay, so if you didn't watch my this videos, so I will give you a link. So first watch this video. Okay, now without wasting our time, now I am starting my this topic. Okay, now present perfect. If we want to make present perfect into a passive voice, okay, passive voice we make present perfect. So how can we make this? So what is the structure of affirmative? As we watched here, object, first we always put object, because for the passive voice the first condition we always put object. Okay, we always put object and then helping verb according to tense. According to tense we put here helping verb. So in present perfect we are putting have and has, have and has, then been, and then after verb third form. As you know, for the passive voice we always put verb third form, and then by, and last is the subject. Okay, so here is the example is that teacher has punished them. Okay, teacher has punished them. So passive voice is here they, object is here them, object here is them, teacher subject, has helping verb, punished verb, and then last one them is the object. So according to the structure, passive voice is they, here is a them is the object. So when we put this uh, starting of the sentence as a subject, so we put they, okay, instead of them. Now have been, okay, according to the structure have been, because we are putting here have according to subject. Here they is a plural, so therefore we are putting here have, and then been, then verb third form punished. Okay, punished is the third form, and then by, and last one is a teacher is a subject. Okay, now next example is that he has admired his brother. He has admired his brother. Here his brother is object, he subject, admired verb, and has is a helping verb. So according to the structure of affirmative, now we are making passive voice. Okay, so how? His brother, first we put here object his brother, then helping verb according to subject. Subject is singular, so therefore we are putting here has, then been, and then verb third form admired, by him, last one is him is a subject. Now last example is that we have advised Ahmad. We have advised Ahmad. Ahmad here object, advised verb, have helping verb, and we subject. So first we put here Ahmad object. Okay, then has been verb third form advised, and then by, so last one is a subject, because here subject is a we. So when we put this subject at the last of the sentence, so here we put us. Okay, now negative. Okay, how can we negative? how can we negative sentence? Okay, negative, for the negative sentence, as you know, always we put not after helping verb. Okay, after helping verb we always put not. Okay, same structures like affirmative sentence. Okay, now first object have and has, then not, been, verb third form, and then by, last one is a subject. Okay, now first example state the dog has not bitten a boy. The dog has not bitten a boy. So first object, uh, a boy, and then helping verb is has because it's singular, not for making negative, verb third form. Okay, now not been, and then verb third form bitten by the dog. The dog here is subject. Now next example is that you have not called a friend. Okay, you have not called a friend. The friend here is the object, so therefore we put starting of the sentence. The friend has not, helping verb, been, verb third form, called by, and last one is subject. Okay, now next example, the police has not caught the thief immediately. Okay, so here the thief is object, then has according to the subject, not, and then we put here been. Here is a typing mistake, but has not been. Okay, has not been. We put here. Okay, and then third form caught by the police. The police here is subject, and the remaining part of the sentence immediately. Okay, now interrogative. Have and has. First we put have and has for the interrogative. Always we know first we put helping verb. Okay, so here helping verb is has and have, then object, been, verb third form, and then by, and last one is subject, question mark. So first example is here, has she checked all copies? Okay, has she checked all copies? Here all copies, object, checked, verb, she, subject. Okay, now first helping verb. Okay, according to the object. Okay, so all copies here is the object, it's a plural, so therefore we are putting here have all copies been checked by her, checked third form, and then by her, last one is subject. Okay, now next example, has the maid cleaned house very well? Okay, has the maid cleaned house very well? Here the maid, subject, cleaned, verb, house, object. Okay, so first we put house. So here is house is a singular, so therefore has helping verb we are putting here, has house, then been, cleaned third form, and then by the maid, subject, and last remaining part of the sentence very well and question mark. Have they close shop on time? Okay, here shop subject, object. So object, according to the object we are putting here has shop been closed on time by them? According to the structure we can change this sentence into passive voice. Okay, now double interrogative, as you know, how can we make double interrogative? For the double interrogative always we put WH family at the starting of the interrogative structure. Okay, so here interrogative structure is that has an object, been, verb third form, and then by, and then last one is a subject. Okay, so therefore we are putting here WH word or WH family at the starting of this structure. So now see the example. Why has she collected all dresses? Okay, so first WH family, why, and then have and has, helping verb according to object. So here object is all dresses, is plural, so therefore we are putting here have all dresses been, third form, collected by, and last subject, her. Okay, now when has the mother celebrated her birthday party? First WH family, when helping verb according to object, birthday party, her birthday party, here is the object, so here has her birthday party being celebrated by the mother, because the mother here is subject. Okay, now why has he decorated the room? First, why? Because of what? Because according to the structure, we always put first WH family word. So here WH family word in the sentence is why. Then the room is the object. So therefore we are putting here has as a helping verb. The room being decorated, third form, and then last one him. Because of what? It's subject. Okay, subject is here he, and then when we put this subject at the end of the sentence, so we convert it him. Okay, now next, past indefinite. Okay, what is the structure of past indefinite if we want to change into passive voice of past indefinite sentence? Okay, so what is the affirmative structure? Is that object, then was and were, then verb third form by and subject. Okay, now first example is here, the children crossed the road carefully. The children crossed the road carefully. So first object, the road, here the road is the object, then was according to the subject, and then verb third form crossed by the children, subject, and remaining part of the sentence carefully. Now next example, she deceived her friend. She deceived her friend. So object, first we put here object, her friend, then was, verb third form deceived, and then last by, subject is her. Last one example is that Amna divided this cloth into two pieces. Okay, the cloth. Okay, this cloth is object, then was divided, verb third form, into two pieces by Amna. Okay, you can put into two pieces. Into two pieces is the extra part of the sentence. Okay, you can put this after verb, and you can put this after sentence, at the end of the sentence. Okay, so according to the meaning, according to the need, you can put this one after verb third form, and you can put here after sentence, at the end of the sentence. It depends on condition. Okay, now negative sentence, as you know, after helping verb we only put not to make negative sentence. Okay, so see the structure, object, was and were, then not. Was and were here is helping verb, so therefore for making negative sentence we are putting here not, then verb third form, then last by and subject. Okay, what is the first example is here, he did not draw a map very quickly. Okay, he did not draw a map very quickly. First we have to know what is object, what is the object is here and subject is here, and which one verb is used here. Okay, so here he, subject, draw, verb, and then a map, object. Okay, so according to the structure, first we put object, a map, then helping verb was, not, negative, and drawn, verb third form. Okay, so third form of draw is drawn by him, subject, and then remaining part of the sentence very quickly. Now next example, they did not earn money according to their need. Okay, so money here is object, was not helping verb, and then earn. Okay, earn third form is earned by them according to their need. Next example, the teacher did not explain the diagram. Okay, the diagram here is object, was not helping verb with not, and then third form third form of explain is explained, and then last one subject by the teacher. I hope you all understood, because it's very easy. If you know the structure, then you can make easily passive voice sentence. Okay, so now interrogative and double interrogative. Interrogative structure is that first always we put to make interrogative sentence helping verb. Okay, so was and verb, object, verb, third form, and then by, last one is a subject. And for double interrogative, WH family. Okay, WH family we put at the starting of interrogative structure. Okay, so did he find his notes last week? Okay, so here his notes is object. So first we put was and were, helping verb. His notes is plural, so we put here were his notes, and then found, third form of find, by him, subject, and then last week. Now second example, did you finish your work? Your work here is object. So according to this object is singular, we are putting first was, your work finished, third form of finish, and then by, subject is you. Last one example is for double interrogative. So why did you get a prize yesterday? So first we put WH family why, helping verb was, a prize is a singular object. Okay, now third form of get is got, by you is subject, and the remaining part of the sentence yesterday. Okay, now past continuous. Okay, past continuous affirmative structure, object, was and were, and then being. Okay, object, was and were, and being, verb, third form, by, and then subject. In past indefinite we put was and were, and then after verb, third form, but it's a continuous form, so there is a little bit difference between past indefinite as past continuous structure. In past continuous structure we put after helping verb being, being, being. Okay, so first example is that I was joining new job. Okay, I was joining new job. So according to the affirmative structure, new job first object, then was and being, being, third form of join is a joined, by me is a subject. Second example is that the thief was killing that man. Okay, it's a past continuous. Okay, the thief was killing that man. So how can we change this sentence into passive voice? According to the structure, first object. So here object is that man, was, then being, and for third form is the killed, and last one subject with the by. Okay, by the thief. You were looking here. You were looking her. So here her is the object. So her we cannot put at the starting of the sentence. We convert this into she. Okay, so she was being, third form looked, by you. Okay, according to the affirmative structure we made this. Okay, now negative sentence, and as you know, and now you learn this thing. Okay, to make negative sentence always put not after helping verb. After helping verb of this sentence you put not to make negative sentence. Okay, so what is the structure? Object, was and were, then not. Okay, well, after was and were we put here not, then being, verb, third form, by, and subject. Same structure is that, only we put here not after helping verb. Okay, now first example. She was not making coffee for me. She was not making coffee for me. So here coffee is object. Was not according to coffee. Coffee is singular. So therefore we are putting here verb as a helping verb. Okay, we are putting here was as a helping verb, not, and then being according to the structure. Now we are making met third form and then by her. Okay, by her for me. Okay, now he was not paying fees on time. So passive voice of this sentence, fees. Fees is the object, was not. Fees is singular. So therefore helping verb is here was not, being, and then third form paid by him, object, sorry, subject, and then remaining part of the sentence on time. Now next, last one example is that I was not beating him because of his mistake. Okay, I was not beating him because of his mistake. Now first we put object. Here object is him. Him. Okay, so therefore we are putting here he was not being beaten, third form, and then by me, subject, and then remaining part of the sentence because of his mistake. Now interrogative and in double interrogative. Was and were, object, being, verb, third form, by, and subject. And for the double interrogative, first we put WH family in interrogative structure. Okay, now what is the, for example, was she punishing him? Okay, was she punishing him? Him here is object, so therefore we are putting here he, but first helping verb. So according to subject, was he being punished, third form, by her. Next example, were they replying him last night? Here him is the object, and according to object we are putting here was as a helping verb. Was he being replied by them last night? And last example is related to double interrogative. So double interrogative, first we put WH family as you know, and then was helping verb, his money object, then being, and third form of return is returned, ed, and then by John, subject. Okay, so now I think you understood all structures or procedures. How can we change active voice into passive voice? Okay, so in this video we discussed first present perfect, then past indefinite, and last one past continuous. Okay, if you like this video, so give thumbs up and share this video to others, and of course subscribe to get new notification of my videos. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.